Well, we made it to Sunday, so if you're watching this live, what's going on? Good afternoon. Hopefully you're relaxing, watching football, or maybe eating a pizza, doing laundry, probably not mowing the lawn. You're watching football, aren't you? All right. My favorite team is playing, and they'll probably lose because they suck, and they've been really horrible 30 years. And they wear white cowboy boots and tiny little shorts, and I'm talking about their cheerleaders, and they're pretty famous. But my team, it's pretty brutal. But my team and Live Good is pretty darn cool. Okay, so if you're on my team or you've joined Live Good in my group, thank you very much. And if you're watching this video, just searching around for an online business or maybe who you should join in Live Good, I'm your boy. Boy, I hope you come aboard. Okay, I'll do the best I can to just show you what I've learned over the last year and a half, from how to recruit, how to make things simple, how to set things up, buy a domain name like a GoDaddy. And then when people click that domain, it goes to the Live Good capture page. I know this all sounds kind of confusing, but you know what? In a couple hours, it's not. You can go to Vistaprint, get a business card. There's so many things that you're going to confuse yourself if you join and sit back for a week or two and just set up. Because sometimes it's easy to just get addicted to the setup, okay? Please don't do that. You don't need to do that with this fine company, okay? So just look at my screen. This is exactly the card that I made at Vistaprint. $30, big box comes to your door. That includes shipping. I just like red cars, I guess. I like how red makes this white jump off this business card. If you put this thing on a wall or just leave it on a desk, stand 3, 4, or 5 feet away, you can still see joincory.com. Okay. I think business cards should be less is more. Okay. I rounded the corners and that's it. Vistaprint.com. I bought joincory.com. It was open. I paid about $11. I think GoDaddy's the best because it has 24-hour live human customer support. Okay. So I bought this domain name. I bought business cards just in case people want to look at the opportunity face to face. Guys, I don't talk about Live Good face to face. I just give them the card and say, watch the video. Okay. Now you're going to say, what video? Okay. That's a good question. Do you want to see what the capture page looks like? Because for $49.95, guys, you can get exactly what I'm going to show you. Okay. I'm going to type in joincory.com. Now look at your screen. See that handsome devil? Okay. He's pointing towards this video. It's about 6 minutes, and it's CEO Ben Glinsky of LiveGood. Talks about the products, the affiliate opportunity, everything you need to know. And you're going to ask yourself, am I in or out? Do I want to buy the products, membership price, wholesale for $9.95 a month? Or do you want to just buy the products like Walmart.com? Guys, you can just shop at LiveGood without being a member or an affiliate. But if you want to be an affiliate and earn money like myself, you pay $40 one time and that's it, one and done. Now, if you want to join LiveGood, put in your name and your email address here. Click reserve my position. Go to your email, your LiveGood email, open it up and just join from there. Okay, it's super simple. Now, if you need more information, which I don't blame you, search around Google, YouTube, Facebook, see if Live Good is something that you like. See all the phony scam videos and all the tutorials and how to do this and how to do that. You'll notice that I have about 3,800 videos that I've produced over the last year and a half just for Live Good. I'm a big fan. I know this company fairly well. And right now I'm about number 27 out of 1.7 million people that have joined since December 13th of 2022. Okay. Now, if you want to put your name and email address in, you're going to get one email from LiveGood per day for 30 days. Like an autoresponder. It's awesome. So if you join, you don't have to get Aweber and Get Response or System or Leads Leap. Take your time. I want you to get some business cards first. I want you to get a domain. Forward it. All this stuff is easy because at the end of the day, all I want you to do is invite people to a link. joincory.com, workwithcory.com, joincorynow.com. All of those domains go right to the Live Good capture page. It's simple. Okay? We're going to get you pretty good at posting on social media. Even if you're shy and grouchy and grumpy and you have no experience, you're going to get good because it's so easy. Email. Emails work. I have 5 accounts with a company that sends out almost 100,000 emails per day. And I just have certain things that I say that get my emails open. And then it goes to a funnel page. Now, what is a funnel? A funnel is a web page. It's just a web page you open up, and it takes you through a little journey. And just imagine a funnel, I guess, sucking in the names and the email addresses, taking people on a journey so they can learn about various opportunities. Now, when I do emails, I send them to a funnel because LiveGood does not want you sending them directly to a capture page. They don't like any type of paid emails or co-ops or paid traffic. Call it what you will. But you got to send it to a funnel. And besides, 95% out of my almost 400 signups are from a funnel now. Okay? You can go to joincory.com, and if you join, I make $25. Thank you. But if you go through my funnel system, I make anywhere from $200 to $400 to $600 for the same signup that LiveGood offers me if I just go directly to joincory.com. Okay? If you want to see my funnel, go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay? So I'm promoting 2 links, this video, and I'll just show you because sometimes when you see it, you can just comprehend what I do. Okay? So joincory.com is directly when I want people just to look at it. And if you're on YouTube right now watching me or Facebook, just go to joincory.com. Okay? And watch that video. But if you want to, as Grant Cardone would say, 10 or 20x it, and why don't you make $200 to $300 to $400 and get someone to sign up for LiveGood? There's nothing wrong with that. Well, if you go to pleasewatchvideo.com, you can see the funnel that I use. I've been using it for about a year. And out of everybody that uses this funnel, I've been number 1 about 6 months out of 7. Okay? As far as getting signups, earning money, telling people, just look at the video. It's the same step, everything I do. I have 5 incomes with LiveGood. 1, LiveGood itself. 2, the funnel. 3, I use AI technology. 4, I just absolutely love AI technology. And number 5, I have the best courses for sale on the planet on how to do social media, TikTok, Facebook, how to do videos like this. Okay? 5 incomes, and they all grow and love and give sunshine and water and a hug and a kiss to LiveGood. Guys, I recommend a funnel system and have other things for sale. When you buy pants, you usually want to buy maybe a shirt and some undies. Okay? If you buy toothpaste, maybe you'll buy a razor and maybe some dental floss. And when you join LiveGood, you're going to need help. You're going to need a funnel system. You're going to need business cards. You're going to need an email system. I know LiveGood extremely well at this point. You will need all of these tools to make one badass house. Okay? If you're on a budget, just get into LiveGood now. Go to joincory.com. Just see what it's all about. It's cheap, guys. It's only $49.95. Same with the funnel system. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Guys, that's $49. Get you going. Okay? I will end the video now. And you're in the right direction. You're in the right haul ass mode on the freeway. Okay? I'm pretty excited for you, especially if you sign up with me, because I can whittle out and eliminate 99% of the bullcrap that you're going to get stuck with. I want you making money hours after you join. Okay? It's taken me 1.5 years to perfect what I do, and I'm darn good at it. And what I mean is I get pre-enrolls, I get signups, but guys, I make cash. Okay? When it comes to LiveGood, I know I make 99% more money per month than diamonds. Okay? And that's the highest rank. There's a double diamond or a double dildo diamond or something like that in LiveGood. I don't know if anyone's there yet. But as far as diamond pay, it's awesome. But what I do, you can make what diamonds make in LiveGood day 1. Okay? Because I have 4 or 5 things for sale that complement LiveGood, where most people, they just do one sign up at a time and it's only $25. It's a slow burn. Well, When you have a Santa beard like this, guys, I don't have time to wait. I'm not going to college. I can't practice and wait a couple years and then go ding dong, the witch is dead. Okay, I don't do that. Right now, I want to know what's going on. I want money in my pocket now, especially if I'm putting time and energy and I'm spending for certain tools and software. There's nothing wrong with that. The world likes speed, fast. You swipe left, right. If your web page don't download in 1 or 2 seconds, you biatch at everybody. Okay, don't biatch and moan. Maybe moan, but don't moan at a biatch. Or you'll get slapped. Okay, that's enough. Guys, thanks for putting up with me, seriously. Pleasewatchvideo.com, joincory.com. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel and get a hold of me. Cory at CoryDraper.com, that's my email. And inbox on my Facebook page. You guys will figure it out. Just look below the video. All my information is there, okay? Okay, take care, guys. Peace and love. That's what it's all about at the end of the day, right? Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.